Welcome! In front of me I have INFINIX Watch 1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout or screen on duration on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu, then scroll through it, look for the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, look for the option called display and tap on it, and here find the option called, I believe it's called sleep, and tap on it. And here we have durations. You can scroll through the list, select the one you like, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. I selected 10 seconds, so my screen will turn off after 10 seconds of inactivity. So if I want to touch the screen or the button for 10 seconds, the screen will turn off to save power. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also change that settings through the phone application. So we can bring the phone that is paired with our watch. We can zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Oh, maybe too much, but let's leave it like that. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the My Health application. Actually, let me reopen it so we can see the health page. Okay, then we can tap on devices. Here you should see your INFINIX Watch 1 on the device page. Now scroll down and look for the other settings option, tap on it, and here you have the awake time. You can tap on it and you can select from the durations. I selected 5 seconds now, so after 5 seconds it should turn off automatically. Let's see if it did. Okay, and it's working, so I'm gonna bring it back to 10 seconds like that, and then we can close the applications or other application. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.